So you smashed your brethren's female friend, yeah, at her house the same day you met her.
Nah, the next day, like I met her the Friday.
Yeah.
I went there again the Saturday.
Yeah.
Did it. Then like I didn't see her the Sunday. The Monday, same thing, bro.
Yeah, hey, bro, that's life sometimes, bro. It's like it goes sometimes, bro.
But what make it funny when like with what the guy's saying when he say they're the worst? You know, after a while, bro, I was like, since you're like, you know, bang every time we meet was like going down. I was like, rah, you don't let me turn this girl into my girl, bro. She was like, nah, bro. I was like, rah, she's moving mad, bro.
So you wanted to date her, and she was like, nah, she's just trying to beat.
Yeah, bro, she was just trying to beat, bro.
Listen, fam, listen to me, bro. Yeah, she's doing you a favor, bro. Like, she's trying to help you out. She's like, bro, I'm for the streets, bro. You met her. Listen, fam. You met her on Friday. Yeah. You went back. You beat her on Saturday. Sunday, you rested off. You ate a couple eggs, a couple sausage. Yeah. Then you went back on Monday. Yeah. Charged up. You beat again. Next thing, you bust her. I was like, rare, like I like you still. You was like, nah, you know what? I see us going somewhere, you know. Hey, what? Do you want to be my girl? She was like, nah, fam, nah, for the streets still, for the streets. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? You was trying to wife me, bruv. She was like, nah, bruh, I'm on your beats. We're friends with benefits. Yeah, that's it, bro. Bro, she done you a favor, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Because most girls, they probably would have gone along with it if they like you a little bit. They would have gone along with it and still ended up beating next man, bro. Next man that looked like me, fam. You know what I'm saying? That don't give a shit. That just gonna bust on her face and that's it, bruv, and keep it moving. Then you would have been lipsing her, bruv. You would have fallen in love with these girls, bruh.
I don't want to take too long, so let me hurry up the story.
Go on.
It was like when I was 18, though. It was like not since this year. It was mad stupid, bro. That's what I'm saying. I learned so much from like watching the channel, bro. And after doing all that, bro, I busted like 2 nuts, bro. Not knowing if she was on like birth control or anything like that.
Oh, you beat her up. Hold on. So this story gets even better, bro. So basically, yeah, this girl that you met on Friday, that you beat on Saturday, you took a rest on Sunday, then you beat her on Monday again, and you used no protection, bruv.
Nah, bro.
You were busting. You didn't even pull out, bruv. I know you didn't pull out, bruv. Don't lie to me, fam.
Nah, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. But
bruv, I know you didn't pull out. I know you didn't, bruv. Cause I can just tell.
Yeah. So I told like my boy the officer, bro. She said she was on like an injection or some shit. So like that was cool still.
How the fuck does he know, bruv? She could just be chatting shit, bruv. He don't know shit, bruv. Yeah.
Well, I mean, I hear her fast and it's straight, so I guess it's cool, bro.
So you mean to tell me this whole year you've been shook that this girl might be Jesus!
Nah. Because she even posted on like a snap story like one time when her parents was giving her like a birth control or something like that.
Bruh, you're moving mad, year, bro. Bruv, you are reckless on the roads, bruv.
Them time I didn't really know about like those things, bro, but like she like she want that taste, bro. The world news on that.
Fam, BBC News, you mean, nigga?
Yeah,
BBC News, bruh. You're moving dangerous out here, bro.
That's I had to cut her off though because like I was at a place like till 12 on that, you know. Sometimes my mom was calling me and that asking me if I wasn't coming home. Them times I didn't have a ride, bro. I have to be walking on that, bro.
Bruv, I've been there. You know those mad links, them far links, and then it's just a mazza to get home. It's mad to get home, bruv. That's his own story in itself, getting home, bruv. I've done them ones, bruv. You get me? But, well, at least it ended well, bruv. Like, you get me? You didn't end up getting her pregnant or you started wifing her up because you wanted to wife her up, but she saved you. She saved you from that. She saved you from yourself.
But age teaches wisdom, bro.
I hope
Start
so.
one again. And you know, again, let me hurry up. This is my last one before I leave because I
Yeah.
know other people want to try it.
Yeah.
I went to this one's house, bro, and like we were there watching a movie. She invited me over. We were there watching a movie, bro, and like them time, you know, like I would, you know, we know like the Disney fairy tale thing. You be the nice guy and all that.
Mm.
Like the wrong mindset implemented in our brains from young.
Mm.
I went over there, bro, like on my best ever, bro, on like one edge of the bed. She was on like way down on the next side, bro.
Mm.
Our friend texted me and asked me like, "Yo," I was in a group chat, like, like she was probably like saying I'm a neat, bro.
Oh no!
I was
Oh
like,
no!
yeah, I
Oh
was like
no!
way down on the other side, bro. And then her friend texted me on the gram was like, "Yo," she's saying you're not even cuddling or anything like that, bro.
Mm-mm.
Then she was like, you know, like when the reverse roles and you're getting kicked out, like the girl.
Ah!
Yeah, bruh. To this day, she hasn't spoken to me, bro.
Do you know what? But bro, because you did act like a neek, bruv. Yeah.
Yeah,
You
bruh.
did. You
But
fully
you know
fully
what's mad
shagged.
though?
Listen, bro. You fully shagged that, bruv, and it's over for good. She's not gonna give you another chance ever, bruv. Just accept it, bruv. Are you gonna go? So basically, you went to this girl's house, yeah, and then you decided, yeah, I'm gonna sit on the edge of the bed and we're gonna watch this film, innit? Like, I'm gonna watch it from beginning to end. I wanna know what happens in the film.
See,
Bruh.
I think you for a joke, bro.
Fam, and then it got so
bro.
bad. It got so bad that she had to text somebody to text you, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I ended up in the group chat, bro, and Snap.
Oh
That was
my
mad.
days! This is quality, bro. You are hilarious, fam.